Hello, thank you for joining me today on Danger Defense. Appreciate you stopping by. While you're here, hit that subscribe button below if you haven't done that yet, so you know also when new videos are coming out. They come out pretty regularly. What I want to talk to you about today is some craziness. I got some videos coming after. Robots that now can move like people, even through AI, have faces like people. The Terminator is coming. And we haven't figured out yet how to control the people that we have to deal with, trying to break in our house and steal our money and walk behind us at the ATM and follow us from the mall to our car. We haven't figured out how to deal with them yet. Now we're going to have robots that can do the same thing while they sit remotely somewhere. Think about it. They're going to have robots able to fight wars. The Terminator is coming. Now, I don't know about where you live at, but if the Terminator comes to the neighborhood where I grew up, he's going to have a problem. He's going to be spare parts for a 1972 deuce and a quarter. Anyway, what do you think about this? Put your comments below. What do you think about these robots? What do you think about AI? It's moving fast. We got to figure out how to control not only AI, but you and I. Not you and I, but you know who I'm talking about. The ones who got to give it to in the chops. That's the ones I'm talking about. The ones breaking in your house. The one trying to steal your TV. The one trying to, I can't say the word because, YouTube, but the ones trying to get a hold of you and your children and things like that. Get a hold of your wife. And okay, you know what? Listen. The people who make the radar detectors make the radar guns, right? So every time they come out with a new radar gun, guess what happens? They come out with a new radar detector. What does that mean to this conversation? Every time they come out with some new stuff, they're going to come out with some new stuff to kill it. Let's stay right on the edge. Let's know right what we need and get it. So when a robot comes in the house, boom. Sorry, Mr. Robot. Right in the chops. Check this video out. This is some crazy stuff. Let me know what you think. Peace.
Ready? Start.
These news, being featured on the occasion of Republic Day, and this is going to be a power plant, in fact, marched by the Indian Army Commission, because we are going to see not just the soldiers on foot, but also the vehicles somewhere going on Kartavya path.
很可爱。是的，没错，我们的连数万次的自己在训练，自己在巩固这些动作。它不仅有手部的动作，它甚至还有腿部的动作。来，我们来展示一下它的这个李小龙的飞窜。来，我们全方位展示一下，我们转过来，给大家展示一下，让大家感受一下我们的这个中国机器人的力量。
没错没错。
为啥我感觉这防护不够齐全？应该差不多吧。
采访一下你，你现在心情如何？紧张吗，老板？第一次跟天花板正面硬刚。
来上，来啊！
老板怎么感想？老板怎么感想？来吧，快一下。
为啥我感觉这防护不够齐全？应该差不多吧。
采访一下你，你现在心情如何？紧张吗，老板？第一次跟天花板正面硬刚。
来上，来啊！
老板怎么感想？老板怎么感想？来吧，快一下。
系统是人工系统。
开始。
是 AI 技术的快速发展与军用机器人的大量出现，正在深刻改变着未来战争的形态。根据相关报道。